Is it spelled wrong? It's probably, but anyway, I don't care. What does it mean to be generalizable? Can we take something from one country and say it applies to all countries?
No.
Not necessarily. And can we say that it applies from one culture to all cultures? And the answer is not necessarily. So we are left with two very important questions, which we're going to address in this chapter. Number one, is there any significant differences in leadership across cultures? So the first question is there any significant differences in leadership across cultures? And two, in looking at leadership effectiveness, is leadership effectiveness culturally specific? Okay, so there are two questions. Is there any significant differences in leadership across cultures? And secondly, when we look at leadership effectiveness, is leadership effectiveness essentially culturally specific? But in order to do this, we have to examine some terms. We have to ask ourselves the first question, what is culture? And we're going to turn to the work of a particularly important person.
Hofstede.
Yeah. Are you familiar with Hofstede's works?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Hofstede gave us a good definition of culture. He said culture is the collective programming of the mind that distinguishes the member of one human group from another. Let me say that again. Hofstede defined culture as the collective programming of the mind that distinguishes the member of one human group